The main feature of this bike is the folding mechanism. But another feature that I find equally as important is about this carrier block. You see, when I got this bike, I had to make sure that I'm able to do grocery shopping with it. And this front carrier block allows me to attach bags to it. It makes my life so much easier. But the thing is, I have to find a compatible bag. And that's kind of where the problem starts. There's just so many available in the market that I'm afraid to buying the wrong thing. So, after a lot of online digging and Instagramming, I think I found the right one. This is the Wotancraft Pioneer Basket Bag. I hope I said that right. Let's do an unboxing, shall we? Alright, so that's the quick unboxing. Now I wanted to show you what I was able to fill it up with during the 2 times that I used it. The first one of which I visited 3 places, 2 bakeries and B&H, camera shop. Then the second time when I was able to fully fill it, when I went grocery shopping in Trader Joe's. 17, 18. So that's it for the demo. Next up, I wanted to show you how I take out and put back the removable frames. Here we go.